Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove blank lines in Microsoft Word. See, in my Word file there are hundreds and thousands blank lines. If I like to remove it manually, it will take time like this. But in on command I have to remove all the blank lines in my whole document. How can we do it? Okay, let's see. You will get replace option near the find option, or you can get this command from your keyboard. Press Ctrl plus H from your keyboard. You will get the same option. In find hot option, you will write double paragraph comment and replace with single paragraph comment. That means the program will find double paragraph lines and it will keep single paragraph lines. Click here, find next. Yes, it is getting here online, here is online, double paragraph. If I replace it, see here, single, then it is keeping single lines. Okay, now replace all. Okay, in my whole document, see here, 1311 replacement it has done in one command. See here, all the extra blank lines have been removed. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.